back redneck. Probably wait until we get into the barn for this, huh? It's windy. We're doing, Peg. Alright. Probably wondering what the heck we're doing up here, aren't you? These are all my female goats. Ones that are in the barn. That's not a goat. Neither is that. That's a guinea hen. That there, that's a turkey. Just to clarify. This is a goat. We got our male goats, all the babies separated from their moms. And that's why you hear all the noise. That's why everyone's crying. We've been doing this this is day number 2. And everyone's still pretty upset. Huh. But that leads us to our next problem. These girls are getting extra full of milk. So we need milk today. Excuse me. The old Frable power box coming in clutch. Turn the lights on. There's the milk machine. There's the actual milk can. Here's the milk stanchion. Goat gets up here, which you'll see. Head goes in there, gets locked in. We milk, we clean. Out the door they go. This isn't gonna be fun for any of us. The goats we got over the summer, last summer, and they had babies. I think it was in between February and January, and I'm just now getting the babies, the males, kicked off. So moms need to be milked or otherwise they'll get sick. Nonetheless, this is their first time being milked or handled like this, so it should be interesting. So let's see if we can get our first contestant in here. Alright girls, who's up? Who's up? Who's up? Who wants to go in first? I think you should go. Come on. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come on. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, you're fine. You want some grain? Alright, with ya. Alright, girlie. Ready up, see Daisy. Oh, you girls. You're okay. We gotta get this done. Settle down, you're fine. Relax. Relax. There you go, you're fine. All that trouble. All that trouble for nothing. Don't feel better. Yeah. I promise, it's gonna feel way better. I promise. getting your head out of there. She will be once your bag's empty. Poor girl. Huh? She is a producer, that's for sure. Can't have that. This kind of goat will get sick. This is an alpine goat, and she will get sick. She needs to be milked. Now, that's a pygmy. These are Nigerian dwarfs. That one girl needs to be milked, but normally they'll dry off themselves. But I've got 3 alpines that need to be milked, and then that one Nigerian, so. I know it's not our normal content. I guess as of now I got 50 videos, so I don't know as if normal is a word. This is part of my life, and I figured I'd bring you guys along in the process. She is hobbled up, but she has to because this is her first time. Girl. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. There you go. Which way you want to go? Want to go this way? Huh? Go this way? Oh, hang on. You gotta get that string off you. You gotta get the string off. Again. Good girl. Yeah. You guys are in. I can't be lifting you up like that. I know. Okay. There's corn in here, baby. There's corn right in there. Yeah, there's corn right in there. Alright. We gotta get this done. Ready? You don't want to get it. Okay. Oh, there's another one. She did a whole lot better than that last one. Huh. Again, she's an alpine. She's a smaller bodied critter than the last one that was in here, but she does good. You do good. You ready? You ready to get out of there? Which way you going? Huh? Which way you going? Wanna go this way? Go this way? Come on. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. Now we gotta get you in here. Yeah, we gotta get you in here. Oh. Alright guys, this is how much milk we got. I wasn't exactly prepared for this, so I don't have the right amount or the right size container. Look at that, huh? What do you think about that, monkey?
Good.
That's a lot of milk, huh?
Mhm.
Somebody be able to make some soap out of it.
Yeah.
Alright, well we're gonna dump this into a container, strain it into a clean container, and we'll be done with it. Alright guys, well, like I said, it's not quote unquote a regular video. I'm not doing motorcycle stuff or camping or any of that stuff. I just figured I'd bring you along. This is now gonna be one of my daily chores for a while until these goats get dried off. But nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed. It was definitely a workout. I didn't think milking, I've milked cows before, but wrangling up 4 goats and throwing them in a stall like that, holy sheep diddle. Well, thanks for sticking along, and see you on the next big one, guys.